Okay, so today I'm going to make an anniversary card and show you how I do it. First, I downloaded this SVG file offline, and what I'm going to do is you get your paper ready and you place it on the mat. And sometimes if your mat is not sticky, you can clean it. I just learned this and I thought it was great information. You can actually buy baby wipes and just use baby wipes on here and rub on it, and it takes away all the debris, and that works awesome. Okay, so what we do is we just go in to make it and continue. And I click on Cardstock. Okay, so when you take the card off the mat, you turn it upside down, and then you just slowly pull it. Okay, that's going to take the part that was cut. Okay, then you're going to do that again. You can see here. And you want the part that was cut out that you don't want to just stick to the mat. And just go slow. Okay, so once you get that off, you're going to have this excess on the mat. And all you do is just scrape it off. I'm kind of going the long way. I should have gone the other way, but it just comes right off. I'm doing it, normally you would just do it this way because there's less area, but I'm trying to let you see what I'm doing. So you just take that off. Okay, so next we're going to put on the other piece of paper, and we're going to cut this because I'm going to use this blue to go on the inside. Okay, so then it will look like this. Okay, so let's put this in here. Okay, now while that's doing that, okay, so while that's printing, you can look on here and just make sure that every part came out that you want. And there's just a couple that didn't. So I'm just using the weeding tool, and I'm just gonna pop it out. And a little piece right here. It gets most of it. There's just a little bit of parts that didn't. Okay, and that's it. Okay, next you'll notice that there's a little indentation right here in the middle of the card, and we'll just fold the card. Okay, so we cut this out right here. Let's turn it upside down so we don't bend it when it comes off. Okay, we'll just set this aside. Okay, so what I want to do is glue this part in here so it looks like that. So I'm going to use this super tacky glue and just kind of, you can see, just kind of follow a little bit around here. just do as much as the white area as you want to stay down. Okay. I didn't do all of the white area, I just did some of it. And let's go and make sure it's a little bit of glue on here. Okay, so then it's all set. I got a little bit of glue there and that dries so you won't see it. But that's all. That's all there is to do that. And ta-da!